Maya, it tastes good. Box food day again today. Rice and peas and chicken.
Nice.
It nice? You only want at up down.
No man would.
You only want at my one call. And this is my niece, Shanice. Why your YouTube channel, Shanice? She will get back to you. And this is my nephew, Shemar. You see them big, then taller than me, big people them know. But she have one YouTube channel and she have online business. She have 3 online business. I'm going to drop her link in the description box. But this is my niece, my first niece. This is my baby. And she talk about a bag of things on her YouTube channel. She do skincare. Your YouTube channel about skincare?
Yeah, hair, makeup, and just girl talk.
And she do review. You do review too, no? Alright, so you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel and check her out. So this normally this beach have white sand from all the way up there, so up there, so but them say every 3 months you have seaweeds. When this beach the sea clean itself, they bank them up on the seaside like this. I first time in my life, but I remember seeing this beach I look so. This beach are one of the most beautiful beach I know. I don't remember nobody else. The first I see you look so. They have this man and try to clean up the beach now, he look a little better. But I don't know when I'm going done because down there someone say clean already, want to clean again.
Mommy, là commence au plein milieu de la plage.
Sorry, Jamal. Jamal said don't start at the end, start in the middle, so I guess it's too much up there so. And the amount of man sit down on board on the beach and not one of them not helping, but yet at the entrance of the beach, they collect donation, so they clean the beach and nobody not clean up it, except this man.
Viens. Dis, tu fais le même caprice que elle tout à l'heure avec ton frère là. Regarde-moi. Et regarde-moi. Tu fais le même caprice qu'avec ta soeur tout à l'heure. Viens.
You want to help me? I'm going to make one castle, one sand castle. You can show this thing about this? No, I want this way. I'll build one something. Oh, yeah, you have to go past yourself? Ah, okay.
They did still have this in, not even realize. Good things here too, me have that done for.
No, then
That's what wrong with you.
I must sit in at this point.
Can't get you. Maybe at the edge of it right now.
Oh, probably wide. I went Kayla did that work meat.
probably that's true.
me all the phone, man.
So this is IJ, and IJ is the upcoming artist from here, Port Antonio, Portland. And IJ I go sing one song for you. IJ a sing a DJ? Sing J. And IJ, 1987. Star 1987. Turn back, let's see your style. See it's typing it's cut out in a year. Star 1987. You have an Instagram page?
Not yet.
You need to create one because people are going to ask about you.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know it's a boy IJ representing. My eyes, your eyes, see that I'm go shining. Can't stop, won't stop, I'm going straight up to the top. I ain't giving up on Jaja, Jah ain't giving up on me. I know, you know, we gon' praise him. Let's give thanks and praise to the Almighty up above, for He is ready, ready, ready to be praised. Let's praise Him night and day, the Almighty up above, for He is ready, ready, ready to be praised. My eyes, your eyes, see that I'm go shining. Won't stop, can't stop, I'm going straight up to the top. I ain't giving up on Jaja, Jah ain't giving up on me. I know, you know, we gon' praise Him. Let's give thanks and praise to the Almighty up above, for He is ready, ready, ready to be praised.
Well, you actually sound good. That sound good. It sound real good. That sound real nice. You have any more?
Yeah, man.
So the house finally done. Who want a room? Michaela. We are trying to build a castle that end up in a one board house. So who want a room? Room or rent? What she looking for? Jamoya try reconstruct that over there so. So today she don't want to go in the water because yesterday one jellyfish thing are in the water or bite her, whatever the jellyfish thing. Shock her.
Eh ben, c'est d'aller chercher, elle peut se faire une. Elle peut se faire une, mais non, non.
My brother and his two nephews playing football. The three when I have on a shirt. An uncle and nephew there. Alright, coach, your time.
that alone, man, them alone. Yeah, 10 push up with them on here.
Backward.
Yeah, go back. Why you talk so much? I have one. You never see it? What's what time?
My type of pizza. A pepperoni pizza. You know how long I have one of these? And Matthew's having spicy chicken. And we're at Italian Job in Port Antonio. She started to find out the food. Alex not there with you tonight. Alex Ghana in cousin. Bon appétit, ma gueule, Jamal. C'est chaud, hein, Maya? C'est chaud. Souffle un peu, souffle.